Guys, let me show you what's going on here with my front sprocket. Look at it. Okay, so I just took it to a motorcycle mechanic. He said possibly that the front sprocket is the wrong way, so I'm going to turn it around and see if that fixes the problem. Alright, then I'm going to get this, close that, and oh shit, hold on. Loosen this. Alright. Put it back in neutral. Oh, that's hot. Let's get this off. Somehow it's hot. Alright, got that in. I don't know, this... Are we good there? Are we good here? Not sure if this is gonna work. Not sure at all. Okay, so I got the chain. I'm gonna tighten the chain now. You tighten the first bolt, you turn it to the right. Look, see, and then you do the same for this side. You see it's lined up, those little marks there on this thing, see that? Okay, tighten it with your... Let's see. Where's... I'll do the same for this side. So turning the sprocket the other way did not work. Failure there.